Today unboxing are on Tomica September release. Quite an assortment here. Together with the shiny gold 50th anniversary label. This label will be going away in about another 3 months before we go 2021. We have the Toyota Sora Bus. Together with the UBE Industry double trailer. This trailer is heavy, including a pair of Audi R8, including a first color release. Now let's take a closer look at the Toyota Sora fuel cell bus. Standard red box packaging with the 50th anniversary label. The Sora bus comes in a scale of 1:37 to fit into the compact box. A very futuristic look bus, the Sora bus has a very interesting background. It was developed and come into service in 2018 at the Tokyo metropolitan area to be ready for this year's Olympic. During the pre-COVID days, the bus itself doesn't have a motor, it's fully electric. Standard button wheels to my dismay with no suspension that is expected for the bus. And you can see the fuel cell label on 4 sides of the bus with a very decent paint job. And another very interesting fact, it's a huge power bank to be used as a power supply backup in case of natural disaster. Next is the UBE Industry double trailer. I seldom buy long Tomica because the box is quite cumbersome, but this trailer is way too awesome with a very nice background. It's based on the Isuzu Giga truck without any scale that is provided on the box. I think because it's massive. Behind has the background written in Japanese in one chunk of parallel. UBE Industry is originated from Yamaguchi Prefecture and is a manufacturer of large-scale cement that boasts one of the largest production volume in Japan. The trailer doesn't run on the public highway. Instead, it runs on the private highway that's owned by UBE that stretch about close to 32 kilometers. Hence, this trailer plays a very important role in the industry. Alright, the Isuzu Giga has the UBE corporate color in teal. The Giga is the bread and butter of the Tomica casting. There's many wheels here, you already have 6. It's very simple, you just need to insert the trailer here for it to maneuver. The trailer is heavy, majority in die cast, except for the base in plastic. Standard UBE corporate color, and also the UBE logo type. The other trailer comprises of 8 wheels, also very heavy with majority in die cast, and when connected, it becomes a massive 18-wheeler truck that maneuver and rolls extremely well. The UBE truck is a very good call by Tomica. Tomica is the very first maker to develop this casting. I can imagine it being in 1/64 scale and was developed by Tomy Tech. That will be very impressive and will be super expensive. But still, the double trailer is an awesome casting and it's a highlight for this month. Next, the number 38 Audi R8 in regular color blue. Nice paint job with decent details. The headlights are painted, including the grille. The Audi logo is sharp. The casting is very simple and basic, and I think simplicity makes it look premium. Plastic insert rear lights, which gives some details to the otherwise very basic casting. Standard racing wheels with standard suspension. Next, the Audi R8 in first color release. Same specs as the regular color. I like the treatment for the first color better. It's in gunmetal and I think the finishing is sort of a semi-gloss. If I compare it together with the regular, I think it's much more gloss than the first color. Likewise, the details are basic with painted headlights, but it looks way cooler than the regular color in my opinion. Standard racing wheels with standard suspension. I think the finishing and the color combination made this casting stand out better than the regular color. Overall, it's a very interesting assortment for the month of September, and the long Tomica is definitely a worthwhile casting to get, to collect, or even have some fun with it. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye! These awesome Tarmac Works casting are a random giveaway to my lucky subscribers who actively like, comment, and share my videos in this channel. 3 lucky subscribers will stand a chance to win a pair of these Tarmac Works casting. I will select and pick the 3 lucky subscribers this week.